Okay, here is a helpful website that I just came across recently. And there are days where I don't have a lot of stuff in the refrigerator, maybe the freezer or even the pantry for dinner. And I'm not in the mood to run out to a dine-in restaurant and even a drive-through. So this website called supercook.com, when you go to this website, all you do is put in the ingredients that you find in your freezer, in your refrigerator, in your pantry. Now I'm going to go down through here. I'm not really going to look at what I'm doing. I'm just going to randomly click on it just to give you an idea how efficient this thing is. Notice there was more stuff. Now, like I say, I haven't even looked at what I'm clicking on. Notice over here to the side, as I'm doing it, it is coming up, oh, hey, you can come up with 743 recipes. And there's lots of other stuff. Okay, maybe I got mushrooms here, all right? And maybe we get down here, fruits, maybe we're going to need something for dessert. You never know, maybe a snack. So you kind of start seeing it's like, holy geez, this thing comes up with a lot of good recipes that you can make on the stuff that you actually still have. I hope this is a helpful video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll come up with some more helpful videos in the very near future.